I actually moved to Aotearoa about 5 years ago. We were really thinking about how we need a plan that considers systems. It considers the region as a whole and really considers te oro Tāmaki Makaurau, like the well-being of Tāmaki Makaurau. We were really fortunate to work with a huge range of people from across mana whenua, government, academia, communities and individuals essentially who provided loads of input and feedback to us. From those discussions, we came up with the need for an innovation hub, which then became Climate Connect Aotearoa. Climate Connect Aotearoa has 4 key goals really in how we operate. The first one being around essentially bringing people together. What is the climate innovation ecosystem and how do we make those connections stronger? The second one being around demand-led challenges and ensuring we connect them to scalable solutions. The third one being around building knowledge and capacity for all. And then the fourth one is just really creating the space and environment for people to innovate. We're really breaking down barriers and we're building trusted relationships. That would be a real success to me.